Welcome back to Words and Pixels, and today we're going to unbox not one, not two, but three boxes from Scribbler. I had gotten the December box in, and it was just too busy around then to film an unboxing. And then I got the January box, but I had already done a double unboxing, so I figured I might as well wait until February to do the triple unboxing. And now it is March, so we're just going to go ahead and unbox all of those. I should probably start with December, but I'm going to start with February. So let's start with February and then go back in time. So here we go. We have the February box here, and I just did the initial cut on the side. So let's open it up and take a look at what's inside. Let's look at... I'm struggling here. February! Yay! So first we have the card, which has some cool marbling on it. I don't know if you can see that. Looks cool. Scribbler writing contest. Tell us the best writing advice you ever received and how it helped you. Our favorite submission wins a bonus gift. Contest ends on March 3rd. So that sounds like a cool one, actually. I might do that. And I actually didn't miss it this time, so yay! I probably missed the other two, though, that we're going to look at. Oh! Okay. We have some coffee. I don't drink coffee, unfortunately, but I know a lot of people who do, so maybe this could make a good gift. Unless they're watching the video and they see that I'm getting it here in a subscription box. So if I give this to you, I re-gift it to you, and you get it and you watch this video, I'm sorry, but I just don't drink coffee, and you do, and I still love you. And let's see what else we have here. We have a sticker that says, enjoy every moment. That's cute. I do like that. And I think we also have, looks like a coaster. I actually need a coaster, so this is super helpful for me. It says, remember what you started. And I actually need one for my computer setup that I have over there. So I think I will actually use this, because I keep drinking tea while I'm filming Let's Plays, and it just keeps getting all over the table and I keep wiping it off, so the coaster would actually help out. So thank you, Scribbler, for that. We have the Writing Passport, so this just gives you some writing advice, and this is the Author Career 2 Passport. We have the chat. I did not attend any of the previous chats. Maybe I'll just do one long video where I watch the archives for all 6 of them. But this is Susan Ryhofer. I'll just leave the name here and you can go do some research on her if you're interested. We got the publishing process. I really like these things, honestly. I find them really, really cool. So they tell you what they did during editing. And right now I'm in editing myself, so it does actually help to be able to look at what another author's process was while they were editing their manuscript. So I will probably take a look at this. I see something cool here. Oh, look! I really like this one. It says, writers kill people in books. Do not disturb. Oh, and then there's something on the other side. Hold on. Writer on deadline. Caution. Enter at your own risk. That's cool. I really like that. Here's the book. It's by Greg Olson, and it's called If You Tell. And it's a true story of murder, family secrets, and the unbreakable bond of sisterhood. Sounds like a good true crime story if you're into that sort of thing. The February box was pretty good. I especially liked the coaster and the doorknob hanger thing. I thought that was cute. But now we're going to take a look at January. So let's see what January had to offer, if it could beat the February box. Not that it's a competition, but it's kind of a competition. So we have January, and let's... Oh, why do I struggle so hard with this? Alright. There's no... Usually there's a little card, like, right there, but it's not there. I wonder if they didn't do a writing contest that month? I don't know what to do now. Alright, so I'm digging in. Oh, yeah! Yes! I'm sorry. That was, I don't even know what noise that was, but look, it's chocolate. Like, this looks like really, 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 really good chocolate. This is Moonstruck, Portland, Oregon, so it's crunchy milk chocolate salted toffee, 31%. Yes, this is great. Honestly, I should probably just do a subscription box of chocolate, because I am 100% behind that. Next thing we have about Jessica. Jessica Turner is a marketing director and associate publisher for Entangled Publishing. Looks like this is the chat invitation for a date that probably passed. I actually didn't look at it before showing it to you guys. Yeah, it did pass. But you could watch the archive online. Then we have a notebook here. Oh, it's full of things. Get out of here. Go away. So we have a notebook. It says, I'm all right. That's debatable. And then we have the writing passport that says stakes. I'm guessing they mean not the wooden things you kill vampires with, but like plot stakes. We have the publishing look inside. Again, I do like these. We will check that out. This one doesn't seem to be... Oh, this is the synopsis. Usually it's like the changes that people made during editing, but this is actually the synopsis that they had submitted to the publisher, so that's pretty cool. You don't really get to see those as often from the outside. Then I see some other cool stuff down here. Oh, yay! I could always use note cards. So this is note card with a little zip pouch. That's helpful. I always need stuff for like... Oh, no, you know what? I thought it was more like thank you card type things. But actually, these are dot grid index cards. I don't know what I would use these for, but I do see people like make their own like plot cards where they're either like make a graph or draw something, or they'll have plot points and they'll actually just move them around and stuff. Kind of like Scrivener, but in real life. Actually, I guess reverse. I guess Scrivener's trying to mimic that real life process. This is real life Scrivener right here. That's what I'm saying. It says plot twist. I'm pretty sure this is a... Here. This says plot twist. This is... What is the word I'm looking for? Bottle opener. This is a bottle opener that says plot twist. Can you see that? Yeah, there we go. Plot twist. Then we have bookmark for a book called Malice, which I'm guessing is the book that we have here. I love the cover of the book. It's pretty cool. And then before we actually look at the book, we have magnets. Oh, these are so cute. Wake up, write, repeat. Every word matters and not now. I'm writing. These are cute. I can actually, because I have a metal case, I could actually put them on the sides of my computer, which I think I will do. Those look really, really adorable. And then we have the book, which this one I'm jazzed about. Not that I wasn't jazzed about the other ones. I don't mean to imply that. But I really like this cover a lot. Probably because it's pink. I don't actually know anything about the story. But this is a book called Malice. I still don't know what it's about. It looks like kind of a sci-fi thriller romance type of thing. To the author, if I totally mischaracterized your story, I'm sorry, but you got a rad cover and I really appreciate that. But it looks cool. I definitely would give this one a read. It sounds interesting. So we got 2 boxes down. Let's look at December. Alright, here's the knife. I said with too much enthusiasm. So far, I don't know which box is winning. I would say the second box was really, really good because it had chocolate in it. And I guess that's the criteria that we're going for today. So if this box has chocolate in it, could win the competition. That shouldn't be happening because it's not a competition. Alright, here is the December box. Let's go ahead and open it. Oh! Oh, cool. Okay. Is it a Christmassy design? No. Just looks Christmassy from a distance. So this is writing contest. Already ended, but it was about snowflakes. Popcorn! This is Teenan Gourmet Popcorn, Caramel Corn Singles. Cool. Then we have gel pens. I love gel pens. I used to be quite the gel pen aficionado back in the day, the olden days of middle school. We have the writing passport. This one is for settings. This is setting 2. This appears to be a creative writing journal, maybe? Yes, it says creative writing journal, really big letters in the front, so there's no maybe there. I like these kind of things. They kind of just get my creative juices a-flowing. And honestly, a book this size probably would have cost a decent amount of money. Yeah, it retails for $12.99. I don't remember how much the box is. I'll put it somewhere. Editor Allison will do that. But, I mean, that's a pretty good price, honestly, because you're getting not only a full-size book, which we haven't even gotten to down below, but you're also getting another full-size book. So I gotta give Scribbler credit for that. I think that was very generous of them to do. So I really do like this. I think this is cute. Probably one of my favorite things I've ever gotten in a Scribbler box, besides the chocolate I just got a few minutes ago. Oh, we have a pin that says, turn coffee... Oh, jeez, God. It's escaping. It says, turn coffee into books. So I don't drink coffee, but I guess whoever gets my coffee will also get that pin. We got a lot of gifts coming to you, coffee drinking friends. Then we have the publishing process inside. Look, this one seems to be a interview style one. And then we have the book. Oh, I'm sorry. No, not yet. We also have one of those chat things. Let me put the person's name there. It's Chris. And then we have the book. So the book is one for the blackbird, one for the crow. I'm guessing this is historical fiction of some sort. Wyoming, 1876. Yes, so historical fiction. Very neat. I'm into it. So that's it for the Scribbler boxes. I have to say that even though the coaster is probably going to be the most useful thing, because I really did need a coaster, the chocolate is probably one of my favorite things, but I would say that my most favorite thing was definitely the creative writing journal. Even though it is not delicious like chocolate, it is the type of thing that I would buy, and it was very good value for the money. So I don't know if I'm going to renew Scribbler or not. I do like it, I think it's interesting, but there are also other subscription boxes that I might want to give a try. So let me know down below if you'd like me to continue Scribbler. I definitely will keep my subscription and keep checking out stuff. If you have suggestions for other boxes, let me know and I will check those out instead. But thanks for watching, and if you'll excuse me, I've got some chocolate to eat. Have a good rest of the day. Bye. This doesn't look crazy at all. This doesn't look crazy at all. It's the greatest thumbnail ever. Oh my god, no.